If your first 10 videos absolutely shows nothing, what I definitely mean is that you have been uploading constantly and nothing is showing, no views, nothing is working. It's gonna seem as if you are not doing anything right, but you are doing it right, okay? This is what small creators do not understand about YouTube. Most beginners always have this mindset that immediately they upload their first video up to 10 videos, that video should be spiking up, they should be having 1,000 view, 2,000 view, or 3,000 view. No, that is not how YouTube works. Even all these big creators, there are sometimes they upload video, they manage to get 500 views, they cannot even go up to 1,000 views, okay? So what you should understand is that your first 10 video is for YouTube to test your channel and see what this channel is automatically built for. If this channel is built for comedy niche, if this channel is built for educational niche, YouTube is trying to understand your channel with that first 10 videos, okay? So you should not have that mindset that your first 10 videos should be spiking up. Your first 10 video is for the YouTube algorithm to understand your channel, okay? It's not for viral videos. So I'm gonna be giving you 3 reasons why you are not having views in your channel, okay? The number 1 reason is that YouTube is still testing your channel. The YouTube algorithm is testing to understand what this channel is specifically made for, the niche this channel is working on, okay? If this channel is going to stay consistency, we know YouTube value the art of consistency more than anything else, or if this channel is going to quit in the long run, okay? So YouTube algorithm is understanding your channel and what your channel is specifically made for. That is the reason why YouTube is not promoting your video first, and this lead to low view, low watch time hour, and low subscribers, okay? It's not that YouTube does not want to promote your channel yet. It's not that YouTube does not want to promote your video. The only reason is that the algorithm is still testing your channel to understand what this channel is specifically made for. So that is the reason why that first 10 video, it might even be first 20 videos, okay? But that first 10 videos that you upload in YouTube as a new creator, you should not be going viral. So don't have the mindset of when you upload your first 10 videos that is going to be going viral. No, cancel such mindset, okay? The number 2 reason is your early title, thumbnails, and description are very bad, and this is normal for all new creators in the building, okay? There's nobody that say that when he or she started YouTube channel that he knows how to create professional thumbnails, professional title, and professional description. No, there's nobody that knows this thing. It's just that when you keep on doing it and also watch other people's videos under your niche, that is when you are going to be learning what is working perfectly. That is what you are going to be learning. The original thumbnail you should be doing, the title you should be using, the description you should be using, okay? So as a new creator, you should not worry yourself that because your thumbnail is bad, your title is bad, your description is bad. It is automatically normal for all new creators because you don't have experience to know how this thing automatically works. The only way you can overcome this obstacle is for you to keep on doing your video consistently and also watch other people's video under your niche to see what they are automatically doing so that you can also implement it in your own channel, okay? So the number 3 reason is most videos start very slow. Yes, most videos start very slow. See, all these new creators, what you people are thinking is that you are thinking how to have views, you are thinking how to have subscribers, but you are not doing the right thing so that these views and subscribers will manifest to your channel, okay? You don't know how to hook your viewers down, you don't have a nice intro, and you are talking too much before bringing value to the table. And all these things always lead to people, when they click on your video, they will not even watch for the first 5 seconds, they will just swipe out, okay? So let me tell you something that you don't understand about this YouTube is all about value. If you can be able to produce good value in YouTube, see, I'm telling you this thing, there is nothing that is going to stop you from having your subscribers. There is nothing that is going to stop you from having views. Value is money in YouTube, okay? You understand me? So what you should be thinking as a pro, you should be thinking, how can I improve in making someone to have value in my channel? When they watch my video, they can learn 1 or 2 things from this video. You always think, how can I improve in my hook? How can I improve in my intro? How can I improve when I produce video? People is going to learn something important from this video. That is what you should be thinking. Stop thinking, how will I have view? There is a difference between views and retention. Let me explain this thing down. Someone can just click on your video, that is views. Yes, someone can just click on your video, that is views. But if that person is not watching that video for the first 1 minute or for the first, let me just say 30 seconds, YouTube is not going to be promoting that video, okay? So for you to be having views without retention, which one do you value most? Okay, so you should be valuing retention, because if I just click on your video right now and I just swipe out the way, there is nothing that is going to work. You will not, even though you are monetized, there is the money that is going to be counting for you is not going to be much. It's going to be very little, because nobody is watching that video for the first 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or even 1 minute. The best thing you should be doing as a new creator, always think, how can I make someone to watch my video and have value from my video? Always improve in your hook. Your hook means that this person is going to watch your video for the first 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or even 1 minute. Okay, how can I improve in my intro to make people understand the purpose of this video? Okay, that is what you should be thinking as a new creator. Stop thinking, how can I have view, how can I have subscribers? If you can be able to produce good value, views will come, subscribers will come. As simple as that. Okay, so guys, for the conclusion, your first 10 videos is not for you to be having view. It's not for you to be having subscribers. Your first 10 videos is for the YouTube algorithm to test your channel and understand what your channel is specifically made for. Okay, so if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel this 2026, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, because right here we share strategy tips on how to grow channel and become a successful YouTuber. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Love you.